Looks a little bit new.
Yeah. So I've been having a big reorganisation, a big clear out. Because you know what it's like when you've been doing RC for like 20 or more years. I just have so many boxes of stuff. So I was doing the clear up, and I came across this ChangeSun 12 blade fan with a Het 1700 kV motor in it and a 120 amp speed controller, and I thought I've got to put that in something. So I was hunting around and came across this. So this is the FlexJet Pro. There's a foamy FlexJet which you might have seen, but this is the Pro version. So a moulded fuselage and built up wings, and I really like the look of it. I have to say, compared to the Flex Innovations RV8 which you put together, Jay,
yeah,
this is really good quality. It's a really nice kit, simple to put together, really nice instructions, so it was a real joy to put together. So not much more to say about it. The kit comes with the retracts already installed and a retract controller to sequence it with the gear door, so that was really nice. And it was really easy to put in the fan with the ducting and the thrust tube as well. I've used the best Savox high voltage, high torque servos. I thought that would be a good investment because, you know, I'll be doing lots of smaller turbine jets in the future, so it's worth investing in good servos. So let's get it in the air, let's see how it flies. Well, that was easy, I have to say.
Pretty eventless, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You get nice fast downwind.
Nice. Gear down.
looked good in the air.
Oh, that was so good.
It sounded good.
I'm always terrified getting a jet in the air for the first time, but it just needed a little bit of up trim, a little bit of right trim, and it really scooted around really nicely. Fantastic. So I really enjoyed it. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one.
And how many S are you running this on?
Oh, okay, good question. So this is 8S.
8S.
So I've got an 8S, I think these are 8S, two 4S 4000 packs, and these are HRBs. And then I've got a 2200 2-cell powering the, if you look in there, you know I'm using that 8-channel Crossfire receiver.
Yeah.
Also using the TX16S for guidance. Still running OpenTX. I'm going to move over to EdgeTX really soon. But fantastic. Really, really brilliant.
And it's nice to not have a foamy dom.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, this will last for years. I was getting a bit frustrated with foamies where they just pick up knocks.
They look
and hang
great
rash.
the moment you get them out of the box.
Yeah, I know.
And then the day you put them in your car, that's
Yep.
it.
Yeah. So really recommend this FlexJet Pro. This is not a sponsored review. Bought this with my own money, so you could see how well it flew there. For a maiden flight, I was really impressed with that. So thanks for watching this one. Thanks to Jay on camera.
No problem.
And we'll see you for another one really soon. Thanks for watching.